Hi everybody, it's me, and it's Monday, and Jada Rose comes home tomorrow. She was in Japan with her dad. Yesterday I was obsessed with my food processor, because I wanted to make the hummus again, and I perfected the recipe, so I'm going to give it to you guys. Also, I wanted to talk about the thumbprint cookies. These are without the jam in the middle, they're not there yet. I was at Air One, and I bought their thumbprint cookies. They're raw. And the ingredients to make the cookie part goes like this: almond flour, maple syrup, coconut oil, salt, and maple powder. And while I didn't have maple powder, I had maple sugar. So I used maple syrup, maple sugar, used with their ingredients. Then I felt it to be very crumbly, so I made another batch, and I added a 1/4 cup of ground chia seeds. I dehydrated those. They came out amazing. And then I dehydrated the ones. These are the ones that have the chia seeds. These are the ones that don't have the chia seeds. And I was sure that these would crumble apart, but they haven't. And I have to say, they're moister and they taste better because the chia seeds, while they're so good for you, they add a little bit more gritty consistency, just a little bit. I mean, they add protein and omega-3 fatty acids, but they are a little bit grittier, and I have to see these held together enough for my taste. I thought you needed chia or flax to be able to kind of bind the cookie dough, but I feel pretty pleased with them, so I'm going to go ahead and put jam in the middle. I used strawberry jam for that one because I had it, a beautiful organic strawberry jam, but I'm going to mash up raspberries with a little agave and make that part raw. So let me tell you the recipe. Here's the recipe for the thumbprint cookies. 2½ cups of almond flour. I bought almond flour. Wilderness Family Naturals sells it online, and I like their almond flour. You could use another almond flour. 1/2 tablespoon of coconut oil. 1/8 to 1/4 cup of maple syrup. I used a 1/4 cup for this one, and they're sweet, so you can use 1/8 of a cup or 1/4 of a cup. 1/8 of a cup is 2 tablespoons. Yes. 2 pinches of salt, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1½ teaspoons of maple sugar, if you can get it. Actually, just 1 teaspoon of maple sugar. I'm going to type this below. And then I did not use the ground chia in these, and I think they're delicious. I mean, wow. Who needs regular cookies with wheat and flour and gluten and inflammation? Nobody. So I've been making a lot of food. I've been happy in the kitchen again, thank goodness. I made the hummus 2 times in 2 days, the cookies. I made this cabbage salad with purple cabbage, red pepper, balsamic vinegar, and cayenne, and salt, and lemon juice, and it was insane. And my Slovenian friends, they totally loved it, and they are not vegan, and they had two different occasions they had food here, and they were like, wow. The kid, who's 26, Jan, said, I always wondered what vegans eat, like to make it palatable, edible. So now he knows that it's totally doable. They've invited me to Slovenia, and they have gardens, and I could prepare food from their garden and show Slovenians and people around the world. So I really want to do Travels with Dara, and I'm thinking that I want to do a pilot for a TV show, because a lot of people have said that it's like Anthony Bourdain meets Martha Stewart. Anthony Bourdain meets healthy, and like I want to eat healthy so I have energy to experience the cultures, and that I'm not like tired and feeling sick all the time. And traveling can just take it out of you. And however I traveled, I did great. So I think that the energy tonic has something to do with it. The green mix, the blend that I bring, and eating vegan all over the place. So I have a plan for that. Anyway, I was thinking that I would make a pilot. What do you think? Do a show. So anyway, here I am with my thumbprint cookies. I'm excited. I'm going to go for a walk on the beach because I didn't do it yesterday. I don't like to go on the weekends. There's too many people in Venice by the weekends. Today it's like someone's building something outside with a saw. There's airplanes and the garbage trucks are going by. Today's like noisy day. Plus I have the dishwasher running, which I never do. I always do the dishes by hand. Today's a decadent day. I am so happy to be making videos again and making food. It feels so good. It's just what I'm supposed to be doing. Whenever I take a break, it's like wait a minute, that's my creativity, that's my love and my passion to show how easy it can be to eat a raw or mostly raw diet or a raw fusion diet and be happy and beautiful and healthy and our optimal weight. So body movement's a part of it. Even if we're feeling a little tired, I am a little tired, just do a little bit, just a little bit. I'm going to go do a little bit that could turn into a lot, because if I'm having fun walking on the beach, what's going a little further? It's in the middle of the day, the sand's a little hot, so I have to walk by the water's edge. If I go in the evening, I can walk in the soft sand, which is a better workout, but both are great. So happy day. They brought me sunflowers. Sunflowers, it grows towards the light. Let's all go towards the light. If anybody's negative or anything's negative in your environment, let it out. Let it go. Let rid of it. Let rid of it. I just did an interview for Poppy and Seed, so check out Poppy and Seed. Let them know that I told you about them. It's a weekly online publication, and it's adorable and great and good information. So I just did an interview for Nikki on feng shui and decluttering, which I'm going to talk a lot more about. So did you guys get your floor plan squared away? I will talk to you soon, and I will see you soon.